Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 23rd, 2018, and I want to give you an update on the green beans that we had planted earlier. I did have to reseed, and you can see the ones coming up that I did reseed. They came up very nice for me. I'm very pleased about that. The more mature green beans here, oops, hold on a minute here, sorry about that. They have started blooming, and you can see there's a little green bean hanging on right here. So you can see what the flowers look like here. And the little green beans hanging on here. Now, if you planted pole beans or something like that, you're definitely going to want to give them something to climb, because those things climb like crazy. So, these here are bush beans, so I don't have to worry about that. You can see here's another plant. It has the little green bean hanging on it there. And it has the flowers. It's loaded with flowers. Now one thing that I do feed these with, they do get fed with Sea Magic. And it is something that they do really like. I also sometimes give them some Epsom salt. And they really like that too. So I want to give you a quick update on this. I'm very pleased with how well the beans came up for me. Now, I didn't use any kind of inoculant or anything like that. I've never used one of those on bean seeds. And even growing up, we never used them, so just wanted to give you this quick update. I will come back with another video when it's time to start harvesting the green beans, and I'll show you how to harvest them then. So we do have a fence up around the garden because the rabbits and the deer and the groundhogs and all that stuff, they will eat your vegetables. So we do have a fence up around it with a gate on, so try and keep those out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.